Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how you can take any book, any document, any PDF, literally, and turn it into a skill using this repo. Book to skill. It's very powerful and this setup is actually very easy. It works on Claude, Codex, and OpenCode as well. So let's set it up first. All you need to do is just one command. This command. Now you might be saying, it says Claude. It's alright, you just copy it here, go to your PowerShell, and all you have to do is just change Claude to OpenCode. That's it. I already did it, so no need to do it again. I made a new directory, called it book, cd'd into it, and we are ready to work. So just open code. And before I filmed this, I made a test run. I'll be showing it to you. So first of all, let's check if the skill exists. Alright, so just go /skills and you will see the book to skill. That's how you know you got. Let's go to a previous session. This session is where I took a test run, a test PDF, and made it into a skill. All you have to do is just go to /skills to make sure. Also, just close and open code and you will find it there. At first, I was confused, like why isn't the skill there? But once I restarted open code, the skill was there. Alright, and this is the skill that I did. Alright, but it's better to show you with something new. Alright, so let's create another test PDF. And it's done. This is the PDF test book 2. If we open it, we'll have all. But we don't care about that. We just want the skill to work. So again, just /book to skill and where it's located. Alright, and just let it go. That's it. It will load the entire PDF, the contents of it, and it will extract. So it's working. We'll go bit by bit. If there's anything interesting that pops up, I'll show you guys. So first, it asks me about the type of PDF this is. Is it text heavy, technical, not sure, or you want your own answer? This case, it's technical, so let it go. It will ask for permissions, always allow for this, confirm. So it will ask me what this skill will help you to do. I'll just say reference specific chapters to make it easier. And it will ask me, hey, is this for Claude, Copilot, or OpenCode? It's for OpenCode, of course, so that, and we confirm. It will ask me the name of the skill. Alright, cache invalidation, that's the recommended, or you can give it your own. But let's go with cache invalidation, and it's done, guys. So let's check it out. Again, it's not gonna be here because you have to restart, so as you can see, it's not here. So let's do a quick restart. We close this, we open code again, and if we go /skills, we will find the skill that we need, cache invalidation. And yeah, that's how you can turn any PDF, any book, anything into a skill in open code using book to skill. Hope you guys enjoyed, found this helpful, and goodbye.